One day, a very hungry dragon was about to head off to Ostrich's store to pick up a nice, big watermelon. Think about the nice, tasty watermelon waiting for him at Ostrich's. Except that made his tummy rumble. And snails prefer to slither in silence.
Oops. Sorry, Snail.
And Dragon was starting to feel pretty hungry.
I know. I'll challenge the snail to a race.
And his tummy rumble even louder. Wait. And Dragon's tummy was very rumbly.
That's great, Snail. The faster you go, the faster we can eat. Uh-oh.
Thinking about the watermelon made Dragon's tummy rumble. And Dragon knew the snail must be hungry as well, because he was pretty sure he heard its little tummy rumble too.
I wonder if I should have made a taxi just for snails instead.
Dragon had been having so much fun trying to help the snail cross the driveway, he'd forgotten how hungry he was. But his tummy hadn't forgotten he didn't have anything to eat in the house. And there was a nice, big, heavy watermelon waiting for him that he was going to pick up in his car.